correct?
That's correct.
Okay, thank you for providing me your information. Now, can you grab down a pen and a piece of paper to write down some of the information about me?
About you? Sure.
Okay, write it down.
Yes, I can write it down right now, please.
My name is Ellie Smith.
Andy Smith?
Ellie. E-L-L-I-E. Ellie.
Okay. And your last name is Smith, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So what's wrong with my taxes right now? What's going on?
I will surely provide you the information, and my batch ID number is IRM. I as in Indiana, R as in Romeo, M as in Mary, 402456.
IRM 404216
2456.
2456.
That's my batch ID number, okay?
Yes, I just got your batch ID number.
Now, we have called you to ascertain your attorney's information because there are some serious allegations and a lawsuit has been filed against you by the Internal Revenue Service. So are you aware about the situation?
No, I'm not aware. What's going on? I pay my taxes.
Aware about? Okay, let me just give you the information, okay?
I have the accounting that does my taxes for me.
So we don't have any concern with any of the third party like an accountant, CPA or H&R. Whosoever is filing your taxes, it is very important to note that if someone else prepare your taxes, then ultimately you are the responsible for all the information that you are filing on your taxes.
I mean, she's responsible for my information filing my taxes.
We don't have any concern with her.
So what's wrong then?
While filing your taxes, if you make any kind of mistake, then ultimately you have to take care of the situation.
Sure, so what should I do right now if there's something wrong?
Okay, let me just give you the information first, okay?
Sure.
Okay, the line which we are talking right now, sir, it has been monitored and recorded by the Internal Revenue Service and Washington DC Police Department. So be careful of what you are speaking on this line. It can be used against you inside the courthouse. And it can also be
Wait,
used
I'm going to the court?
Okay?
Why?
So I will just go ahead and read out the legal charges against your name.
Okay.
Now listen to me very carefully. As per the documentation which I have in front of me, we have conducted an audit on your tax file for the year 2010 till the year 2014. Make sure I'm not talking about any particular year. I'm talking about the duration of those 5 years.
Whoa.
We have found that there is a miscalculation or discrepancy. It does not mean to say that you are not filing your taxes. Neither I'm saying that you are not taking care of your taxes file. I already know that you are the law-obedient citizen of the United States who is filing taxes on time. But there is some unusual figure which you have not mentioned on your tax file properly. So that's the difference between the amount which you have shown to the government and which we have on our records. So according to the Section 101, the amount which you owe still pending under your name, which you have not paid. For that reason, the local authorities with the arrest warrant will be coming at your place. Now, if they come, your driver license will be cancelled and everything under your name, your property, your bank account, everything will be seized. And you will also face 5 years of federal imprisonment with no early parole. Now the total outstanding amount which is pending under your name is $8,221 even.
Whoa, wait. What? They gonna arrest me?
Yes, sir.
I haven't done anything wrong. Why are they gonna arrest me? I don't understand.
Now I want to know your intentions, sir. What are you willing to do at this point of time? So did you done this intentionally or was it by mistake?
No, it's probably by mistake. My accounting has done something. I don't do my taxes myself.
So that's what I'm saying, you sir. We don't have
I don't know very well English, so how I'm gonna do my taxes? I better get accounting.
Sorry?
I don't speak very well English. I don't understand the language very well. So this way I better get like accounting does for me. So she does everything for me. That's a lot of money. How am I gonna pay $8,000? Where am I gonna find?
I understand that, sir. But we don't have any concern with your accountant, okay? If she make a mistake, then you have to take care of the situation.
How am I gonna take care of situation when I don't understand the stuff? That's why I'm paying the accounting. She does everything for me.
Now, before we try to reach you 2 times with the 2 notification letters at your doorstep, but unfortunately there was no one available to receive those letters and to sign those letters. That's the reason the letter bounced back to us. But at the 3rd time we left a yellow slip stating that please collect your package from postal service, but you did not do that. So Iris thought that you are trying to run away from the situation and you are doing it intentionally.
Whoa, wait. I haven't received any letter here. What are you talking about?
So, as per the report we have from the postal service, we left...
Really? You wanna arrest me right now? Come on. Oh my god.
Sorry?
You wanna arrest me?
Yes, sir.
Why? What have I done to you?
You haven't done anything wrong, sir, but while filing your taxes, you made a mistake.
So, how can I fix that mistake? I'm sure there's a way that mistake can be fixed.
Yes, sir. Now, we have gone through your past record and we have found that you are the genuine person who has no criminal record in past. Am I right?
Oh, yeah, that's true. I never have done anything wrong in this country. I've tried to be honest and, pay my taxes and do everything on the right way.
Yes, sir. We know that, sir, you are filing your taxes every year and it is also on time.
That's correct. I'm filing my taxes since 2008 here.
Yes, sir.
So, what can I do right now to fix
Because of...
that issue? Because $8,000, it's too much, to be honest.
Yes, sir, I know that.
And I don't want to go to jail, to be honest.
Higher authorities, they have decided to give you 2 options regarding this issue. If you allow me, I will just go ahead and give you those 2 options.
Okay, can you please give me these options?
Okay. The option number 1 is, if you are thinking that there is nothing wrong with your taxes, you can hire a criminal attorney and fight this case inside the courthouse. But make sure, as we have more than enough proof to prove you guilty inside the courthouse, if you lose this case inside the courthouse, then you have to ending up with a huge fine amount, which may go around $22,000 to $25,000, or else you have to face federal imprisonment for 5 years. Now, the second option, which is called OOCR. OOCR stands for Out of Court Resolvement Option, where you can still take care of the situation by paying the outstanding amount, that is $8,221, today itself, and resolve this case outside of the courthouse and cancel the arrest warrant under your name. Once you will take care of the situation outside of the courthouse, then we can fix an appointment with one of my local Irs officer with you as per your time convenience. So he will come at your home and sit with you and explain you everything, where and which part you have done a mistake, so that in future you won't repeat the same mistake again. Now I need your intention. You want to resolve this case outside of the courthouse, or you want to fight this case against to the Internal Revenue Service?
I want the second option.
So you want to resolve this case outside of the courthouse?
Yeah, outside. I don't want to go to the court. I mean, I never have been to the court and I don't want to be there. I'm scared. And I don't know what you guys have done. I mean, to be honest, I haven't done anything wrong with that. I always pay my taxes. I don't know, I always get money from them.
Yes, sir. We have gone through your past record and we have found that you are the genuine person and your past record are quite neat and clean, okay?
Yeah.
So that's the reason today we are making a call to know your intention so that we can help you out regarding this, okay?
So, what do you think? What should I do right now?
Okay. As you said that you want to resolve this case outside of the courthouse, then I will connect this line to my higher authorities. They will give you the information step by step, okay?
Okay.
Before I connect this line, sir, I have 3 questions for you. Are you calling me from your cell phone number or this is your home phone number?
This is my home phone number, to be honest.
Home phone. Okay, can you provide me a cell phone number?
Yes, 203.
Yeah. 203
770
770
9757.
9757.
That's correct.
Okay. Now the second question is, do you have the sufficient balance of $8,221?
Wait. For how much?
Sorry?
How much did you just say?
$8,221.
Wait, where did I get all that money? $8,000. What are you talking about? $8,200. It's a lot of money. You know that?
Yes, sir, I know that. That's the reason I'm asking you, sir, whether you have this full amount or not.
Maybe I do have it, but I need it.
Okay, you do have.
Sure, I do have. Well, that's why I'm working hard.
Asking you, sir, whether you have on your...
Yeah, I do have it on my bank.
Okay. Okay, now the third question is, so before I go ahead and transfer this line to my higher authorities, whatever
Yes.
information I have provided you, have you understood and you have agreed to pay this tax balance today itself on immediate basis?
Yes, I agree actually to pay everything right now. I don't want to screw up anything, you know, to be honest.
Okay, sir, do you allow me to transfer this line to my higher authorities in accounts department?
Sure, I hope he can help me.
Alright, so just hold on for a moment, I will transfer this line, okay?
No problem.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Don't disconnect the line, sir. Just hold on for a moment. I will transfer this line. Okay.
Okay. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Thanks for your patience. Now your phone call has been transferred to Officer Oscar Davidson. May I know whom am I talking to?
Wait, what is your name? Oscar? David?
It's Oscar Davidson. D-A-V-I-D.
Oh, Davidson. Where are you from, Davidson, Mr. Davidson?
So how are you doing today?
I am good. I just asked you, where are you from? You kind of have an accent right now.
Alright, so at this point of time, this is the Investigation Department of Internal Revenue Service and you are having a word with the head of the Investigation Department. This is Chief Investigation Officer Oscar Davidson.
Yeah, but where is that located? It's in United States or... Because you sound like Indian, something like that.
So what are you trying to say and how can you say that I'm not the American?
Because you have an accent. I used to have a friend from India, Sri Lanka, and you know, they have the same voice right now.
But that doesn't mean that you can say that I'm not an American. How could you say that to that person who lives in America that you are not an American? How can you say that?
I can say, here it's a freedom, you can say whatever you want. It's freedom of speech, my friend.
But that you don't have that freedom that you can call someone that you are not an American.
Hold on, I didn't call you, you called me. You say that there's some kind of issues with IRS, so I'm trying to solve the issues that you have created for me.
Okay, so I believe that you are aware of that you can't say any person that you are not an American, alright? And as we are on a federally monitored...
Hold on, who say that? I can say that to everyone. I'm a foreigner myself. If you're a foreigner, you're a foreigner. You cannot be an American.
So that doesn't mean that I won't say American.
You might be in United States, but you're not an American guy.
Yeah, that's correct.
So
correct.
that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, that you are not American. I didn't say anything wrong.
Alright, then at this point of time,
Yes.
so your intention that what are you willing to do from here?
Well, I'm trying to solve my issue there's going on, whatever it is my case. I know you say that you want to arrest me and I don't want to be arrested.
Alright, but at this point of time, what I am trying to explain you is that the case which you are facing, this is not a local case or a state case. This is a federal case running on you right now. And we have just given you a call because we have just come to know that you are a genuine person who doesn't have any criminal record on his name, and you are facing this kind of consequences with the government for the very first time. So is that correct?
That's correct, but I haven't done anything wrong to the government right now. I don't know what you're talking about. So if you say that I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I want to solve it. So how can I solve that case? So what is the option? You know, I don't want to lose too much time right now. So just please tell me, what should I do right now? And I don't want to get arrested.
Then,
if I'm getting arrested, I'm leaving my house right now.
if the government... Alright, then as you have just told the officer that you would like to settle down the things with the government outside of the courthouse, then...
Yeah, that's true. I want to solve everything out.
How the total amount... Okay, then do you have the total amount available with you?
Sure I do.
Alright, then there are 3 certain and hard conditions in order to put this case outside of the courthouse and make this test payment to the government.
Sure, no problem. I can do that. How much was the amount again? Can you please repeat it?
Sorry?
How much was the amount that I had to pay, like, to solve this case?
At this point of time, there are 3 certain and hard conditions which you need to follow in order to put this case outside of the courthouse.
Okay, so what are the conditions?
Okay, the first condition is that the total amount pending under your name, that is $8,221 even. It has to be paid today itself before the case goes inside the courthouse to the government.
Okay, so how do you want me to pay this this amount? Do you want me to send it with Visa, with check, or?
I will be guiding you that let me first of all complete the 3 conditions which is provided by the federal courthouse.
Okay, go ahead.
The second condition is that as there is a lawsuit has been filed onto your name.
Wow.
You can pay this amount by using your debit card.
Wait, what do you mean? They blocked my account right now?
Let me tell you, first of all, you need to listen to me very carefully.
Yeah, I'm listening, but it takes forever.
That as there is a lawsuit has been filed onto your name, all your known bank accounts are being under investigation by the Department of Treasury.
So that's fine. They can investigate my accounts. I don't have anything wrong with my accounts. I work for those money.
First of all, you just need to listen to me very carefully.
Okay, go ahead. I mean, like, paying $8,000, how can I stand here and listening to you? You know what? That's $8,000, my friend. I can save that money for 2 years. Hello? Oh my god, I'm gonna get in jail now? Really? Huh. Hello? Hello?